we don't need to the smartphone. Future things. So we are making a projector.
Okay. Yeah.
Virtual reality is a mixed reality.
Hello, Takumi. Thank you for joining our podcast today. This is the second episode of Colors of Web3 and Entrepreneurship. My name is Lum. I'm your host today, and I'm here talking with Mr. Takumi Tanaka. Do you want to give a quick introduction about yourself, Takumi?
Yeah, thank you for giving this opportunity to talk. My name is Takumi Tanaka. Just call Tak. It's easy. So, just call Tak.
Okay. Tak. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
Tak.
Sure.
I am a designer and a founder. I have the company for the IoT hardware and the software company. And my background is quite unique. My background is a fashion design.
Please tell us a bit about your
Yeah.
education. How did you become a fashion designer?
When I was I think it's 60 years old. I just watching TV like a fashion show. Then I just I said to my my what do you say no sister, older sister.
Older sister. Okay. Yeah. Anessa, older sister.
I
Yes.
said I can be designer, but she said you cannot be, you know.
Oh. So your
But
sister gave you a challenge.
yeah.
Yeah.
And I was thinking just I could be. Then I went to the London. That's it.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah. I'm very simple, I think. Like action, then visionary, then do it.
Nice. I read on your profile that I think you wrote on your own profile that you left, drop out of high school, and then you move abroad at the age of 17. How did you? What made you drop out of high school and
Yeah, I
move
think
abroad at such a young age?
yeah, I was the outrage, like very bad in the kids.
Oh, really?
But I'm a football player in the junior high
Nice.
school and the high school. But I wanted to. I was actually looking for the reason to escape from Japan. I wanted to go to the somewhere, I think.
Okay.
But I need money to do for that. Then I just thinking, you know, fan, I'm taking the money from my mother, like a deal with my mother for spending the money.
Okay.
So I, I take a I like I took the first record.
Okay.
ぐ、いい点数。
I
Top,
can too. Okay, you got really high grades. Yeah,
yeah.
you got
Then
high grades.
I got 1万円 for
Oh,
each.
you got 10,000 yen. Oh, really? Okay, so you make a
One,
deal with your mom and
yeah, one
you
subject,
receive 10,000 yen. Yeah.
one subject test, like
Okay.
then I'm taking money for this. I just
Wow,
think,
your
yeah,
mom is so generous. 10,000 yen is like 70 US dollar or 60, 70 US dollars. Yeah.
yeah. I think
Wow.
I earned about I think 20,000 yen. I think I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Then
So you're
you
making
know
money at a young age.
yeah, and my high school record is a top in the high school, but
Nice.
I moved to the London by myself. abroad study in English study, I think. Then I went to go to the London College of Fashion and Saint Martin. Then just I studied like art and fashion design.
Okay.
Yeah, and I heard my mother, like the principal, like a president of a high school, just called to the my mom. You know, I have the top of record, but you know, I did not attend enough days. So reason like drop out.
I see. I see. So you were not. I guess you were not like so interested in the educational system in Japan when
Yeah,
you were
I
young.
think. Yeah. I think I wanted to go to like I wanted to do like something challenge.
I see. So I guess I guess school in Japan or at high school was too easy for you, right?
But 飛び級ないね、多分。飛び級わかる？飛び級。What do you say in English? To go to the
Tobikyu.
high
Tobikyu is
level.
mean.
High level.
Okay, okay. Skipping a grade. Yeah, yeah. Tobikyu is
Yeah,
skipping a grade.
I think in Japan is difficult to do the drop.
Yeah, I actually think that that's basically common around the world. Actually, like
Yeah, so
skipping a grade, right? Unless if you're like homeschooled. I know in the U.S. like some
yeah,
I actually have some friends in U.S. who were homeschooled, right?
yeah.
So you can technically skip a grade if you're homeschooled. And to
Mm,
be honest about me, I also skip 12th grade in high school. I was never a senior. So
yeah.
senior in the US is like high school, like the final grade, the 12th grade, right? So I actually never was a senior in high school, but then somehow I made it to college and university, you know. Yeah, so
Yeah,
I think I did the Tobikyu
but now is
in a way.
my age is 42 years old. Me.
Oh, you look younger than that though. Yeah.
But I won't go to the university to get a degree or something like that.
I
I
see.
want.
Yeah, but yeah, I think nowadays you don't really need
Yeah, when I was a
an
young.
degree anymore.
Yeah, when I was a younger, it's like something like a
Mm.
outrange
Is
or outsider,
I see, I see.
strange person.
Okay, I see. Yeah, but I do think that like artistic person tend to have a little bit, like
Um,
peculiar personality, right? A bit different from the usual
um,
personality. Oh wait,
mm,
actually, so how did you so you're learning fashion design, right, in the UK, right? And then and what do you do after that?
just like I stayed. I lived for 1 year and a half in London.
Mm-hmm.
Then I moved to the Paris. Then
Okay.
I had lived in Paris 19th area, like
Okay.
lives in near Richmond. It's a big park in there.
Okay.
Then I just coming back to in Japan when I was 20 years old or 20,
Okay.
21st, in
Mm.
like a designer to do the fashion collection in Japan.
Okay. Oh, so you're actually a fashion designer for
Yeah, I
collection
did.
in Japan.
Yeah, I did. I think 20 years old and 21st. I think I did like a fashion show, like Aoyama. Do you know the
Yeah. Aoyama,
president
yeah. Very,
Aoyama?
very famous. Yeah, very famous.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there is a spiral, Aoyama Spiral Hall,
Okay.
and I did like a Makahari Messe.
Okay. So very popular exhibition
Yeah,
place.
yes,
Yeah.
I did. It's a fashion show. It's twice in Japan.
Nice. Okay. So that was like I guess some of your first job, right? In the whole industry. Yeah.
Yeah, I just I stopped to the fashion collection.
Okay.
Yeah, I
Mm.
that's the reason is uh I was in the heavy drinking by alcohol. Then
Is that something common? Is that something common in the fashion show industry?
No, I think it's like a artists have the always problem in
I
the
see.
mental, like
Mm.
social loneliness, or it's a difficulty like to live in our life
Mm.
sometime.
I see.
Then I had drinking.
Mhm.
Then I just like a car accident. I riding like a bike,
Mm.
but 4 ton truck is
Oh,
hit to
4,000
yeah
kilogram truck. Yeah.
car
Oh my
crash.
God. Wow.
So
Tough.
I am also like suffering from the
Mm.
after effect of the car accident. So
Okay.
I cannot clearly remember more than 4 桁 four
Mm.
digit
4 digit. Yeah.
4 number. I can't
Mm.
remember. So I can't remember my phone number as well.
Mm. But nowadays, actually, I don't think many people need to remember their phone numbers, right? Yeah, because you have
Yeah.
like an ID, right? Yeah, you get
Yeah.
search people by the ID, and then you don't really need to remember
I,
phone number.
so I think it's people and me in Japanese 利便性
Mm.
わかる
Depends, say it's like
うん、
non-traditional in a way.
退化してる What do you say?
I see, I see. Degenerate,
Yeah.
degenerate,
うん、
degenerate in a way.
うん、うん。
Taikashiteru, or maybe it's just like
はい。
introverted.
Yeah, you
Mm.
said you can't remember your phone number as well,
Mm. Yeah, but
Then
now I don't think people
yeah,
need to remember.
then we don't have the smartphone.
Mhm.
I think we are remember
Ah,
phone number
I see,
or
I see. So
phone number.
back before we had smartphone, you're saying that it's makes people more likely to remember things, right? Because you cannot
Yeah,
rely on your smartphone. But now, like, with smartphone,
yeah. I
it will
I
do all the remembering for you.
yes, I have to go to the doctor, my brain scan.
Mm.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
yeah. I think going to doctor is a pretty common experience in Japan.
Yes,
I
and
see.
my hobby. So I'm I like take a picture, and
Nice.
make a film.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm always like I my hobby,
Mm.
not hobby. I'm doing professional.
Nice. Okay. So you're
Yeah,
also taking photo as a professional for events or
yeah,
for personal or
mm,
both?
yeah, yeah.
I see. I see. Okay. And I'm kind of curious. So basically, you're working as a designer. You did a lot of entrepreneurship development programs in
Yeah,
Japan and abroad.
I want to change. It's like difficult to live
Hmm.
for life.
I see. What So how many businesses do you run at the moment, or how many businesses project are you involved in at the moment?
My main project is IoT hardware,
Okay.
but IDQ Soul Wallet is beginning to start like a side project
Okay. Side
because
project.
we couldn't fundraising only hardware developing.
Hmm.
Now it's a very difficulty. It's only hardware. Then
Yeah. I
go ahead.
Is a hardware project. I think is this the BAE, the one click projector project?
Yes. We just called LQ.
LQ.
ELK,
Okay.
yeah, ELK is innovative video chat devices.
Nice. Yeah.
And
I
before
see. I see.
we just make a prototype is 70 pics for the we
This one, right? This product right here, right? LQ.
yeah, like a
Nice.
projector
Okay.
device, yeah. And
Mm-hmm.
we just developing call is CB. CB is like a walkie-talkie
Yeah.
transceiver.
Mm.
Yeah, I wanted to make a like a next smartphone,
Okay.
future devices. Then I just
Interesting.
try,
What?
yeah, I just tried to, but it's very difficult to, yeah, we we are now like like a demo, hackathon level, but
Let me see.
professional like when make like iPhone, it's a
Mm-hmm.
very difficult to make. Take a
Yeah.
take a cost.
Mm.
Mm.
Yeah. I think people need to do more than take a course to make an iPhone, no? And I
Yeah.
also think that for phone nowadays, iPhone is probably super hard to make. I
Mm,
think that maybe Android is probably a little bit easier, you know,
mm,
because I mean it's open source, right? You can technically use the software. You can just need to create your own hardware. But Apple, like they own both software and hardware, so probably gonna be hard to make and compete against some in their own game, right?
mm. So now it's just we are approaching like only software. So we are approaching for IDQ Soul Wallet
Okay,
and move to the Web3. But
I
it,
see.
like IoT hardware connect to the IDQ Soul Wallet. It's combined.
Hmm. I see. So you're actually thinking about combining these two together, right?
Yes.
Somehow.
So just one touch
Mm.
and just talk. We can buy it. We can
Yeah.
talk it like a communication protocol.
Mm.
Mm.
So what is your idea about this LQ and IoT software? So I guess LQ would be the hardware, right? Touch and
Mm.
talk.
Mm.
Is that correct? And then how does a IDQ Soul Wallet, right? That's the main product.
Yes.
How does it come into play? How does it
Uh,
fit in?
feeling like Web3 need to like mass adoption.
Yes,
People to I want to do the like easy to use. That's it.
I see.
You know,
Yeah.
MetaMask.
Hmm.
You know, my mom cannot use MetaMask.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think
And
my mom can either.
yeah, and so many wallet application in my smartphone, right?
Hmm.
But we can't use crypto in the convenience store,
Yeah, it's true.
you know?
Yeah, it's true. It's not at the stage yet where well, technically, I think some country can already do some of that. Like I think what El Salvador, right? They
Yeah,
adopted Bitcoin.
yeah, yes,
They
yes.
use like Bitcoin Lightning Network, right, to pay for
Yeah,
that. But that's one of the few exception.
yeah.
Yeah.
So just, I wanted to change. That's it.
Hmm. Interesting. So how does this IDQ Soul Wallet differ from a a regular Web3 wallet or the other common Web3 wallet that we know of?
Uh, I don't want to talk about the only, idea. I
Hmm.
just like want to show like a demo is a first. That's my
Okay.
job. That's my job.
Okay.
but I'm not an engineer. Like
Mm.
I'm quite like an artist.
Yeah,
So I
I
need
think you
to
are.
I need to the like a team or engineer and business producer or good team.
Yeah.
Mm. But now it's okay, I think. But we have to like a successful like fundraising
Okay.
because
So how many? Oh yeah, go on. Sorry.
we our team is just now is
Okay.
two
So
people.
you and
Two,
another technical co-founder.
yeah, and two people and outside engineer in India is just two. But
Okay.
now is I think is two. Mm.
So what? I guess you handle the fundraising or the business design aspect of the wallet, right?
Mm.
And then the engineer would actually build the smart contract and the software itself. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Hmm.
So
So
we
what are some of the challenges that you face in trying to building this? I mean, besides fundraising.
uh now I'm thinking about like a Web3 business.
Hmm.
I am artist, so I can make like a creative platform for for Web3, like market design for the artist. Just like now we are approaching to do the Web3 business, like a small platform business, I think.
Okay. So
Mm.
this is another idea that you are executing at the moment.
Not the idea uh, I'm doing always.
You already doing
Yeah,
okay.
I'm
Building
already,
a.
yeah.
Hmm.
Mm, but always, like I want to excuse by myself.
Hmm.
Then I want to help someone or important person,
Mm-hmm.
my family, my friend, you know, country people. I think we can try to. I think we could in the Web3.
Nice. So basically, you want to build
What?
link
Yeah. What?
some real value, right? Build
Yeah.
products that bring
Yes. What?
meaning to people.
What is your Web3?
What is my Web3 experience? Or
Yeah. What? What do you want to do in the Web3?
many things. To be
Mm.
honest, I think that Web3 is at a stage where it's actually very fastly growing, and it's at a
Yeah, I
maybe at
think it's
a
very confused and
it,
very difficult.
that
With
is correct. Yeah, I think UX or user experience is an area that can be improved in Web3.
a lot of strange word, smart contract, EVM,
Mm.
lots of,
Yeah.
I want to like all for one and
Mm.
to use easily, you know?
Okay.
Yeah. Uh,
Yeah.
uh,
I think that's not only you, right? I think that's basically any user or consumer, right, in general. Because
yeah.
yeah, we used to all these convenience that many Web2 products has brought to us already, right? It's
Mm,
very, I mean, the UI UX of most of the Web2 apps that we use on a daily
uh,
basis, I think is
mm,
has come to a really good, right? Like, for example, if you order from, I don't know, let's say a Uber Eats, right? Order
yes.
food from Uber Eats, like it's very seamless, right? It's a very seamless, it's very smooth experience. You choose a restaurant, you pick out the food you want to eat, you add in any topping or any extra things in the order, you
Yeah.
put it in
That.
the cart, right? And then you
Yes.
pay for it, everything through your phone, right? Credit card. And then maybe 15 to 30 minutes later, some driver delivery will show up to your door with your food, hot and fresh. And Yeah, it's like the whole process is very smooth, right? But in Web3, right, like you said, even the wallet itself is
Yes,
not as
that's
smooth
that's
as
very
one.
important things. What you are saying, you know, we are using smartphone, but
Mhm.
is moving to the wallet. Wallet, Web3 wallet is next to smartphone application. Is changing. That's Web3.
Can
So
you
can
explain about that? Explain your thinking behind that. Explain your thinking. Yeah.
we are using smartphone, right?
Yes. Yeah. Every day. Yeah.
Yeah, every day, and we are, you know, uh, just have a look in your smartphone. You having
Yeah.
putting a lot of application
Every day.
in the
Yep.
yes. You
Mhm.
just have a look your laptop. You
Yeah.
just your what desktop has the like a
Desktop.
folder and PDF file and just you are putting in there.
Yes.
Okay,
Mhm.
that's move to web 4, web 5. That's you know uh having putting is a living like a air, like a kukan.
Like virtual reality. Yeah.
Yeah,
In
yes,
space.
yes, yeah,
Space.
yes. So
Okay.
we don't need to the smartphone. That's but what do you say? Future things. So we are making like a projector. You know,
Okay. Yeah.
virtual reality is a mixed reality or
Yeah.
VR, just VR. You know, we
Yeah.
have we have to wear the goggle.
Yeah.
I hate it.
I know it's too bulky. It's hot, bulky, make you
Then
dizzy.
I can't feel the
Yeah.
humanity.
Mm-mm.
You know,
Yeah. It's you just don't feel like human. Yeah.
yeah, lost in humanity, double
Mhm.
lost, quite very quick.
Mm.
Uh, we just change to like a android, like a robot.
Mhm. Yeah.
That's we have to what do you say? 分かれる?
Separate. Separate.
Yeah, nature person,
Mhm.
then like a robot, like an android.
Yeah.
And we are saying like a crypto.
Mhm.
That's robot or AI and money.
Mm.
That's crypto.
Interesting. Robot, crypto, AI. Okay. So you see Web3 or maybe the future Web4 as like an intersection of
うん。
those areas, right?
だから、
That's
結
how
局はだ
you
から、
vision it. See? Mm.
人の代わりに AI が稼ぐ案、
Mm. I see. So instead of human, AI will earn money for us.
AI が稼ぐのがクリプト。
AI
今、
will earn crypto
それ
for
が、
us. Yeah.
I think it's smartphone move to the
Mm.
like wallet. So, bank making a wallet, Web3
Mm.
wallet, or,
Mm. I
ADD,
think, yeah.
lot of wallet. But we need mass adoption. That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Yeah. Yeah.
our approaching like fixing like choosing like just QR code. I
Is
went to
QR code a good thing or bad thing in your opinion, or from a design perspective?
like a philosophy for the QR code.
Okay.
QR code is a Japanese developer making in the past, like a something like a chess idea of the chess Othello game, chess. Yeah, chess.
Chess. Okay.
But when I went to go to the Shenzhen, China, I just, I had stay like 1 week or 2 weeks. Everyone using like wallet, WeChat Pay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had like only cash. I couldn't live. I couldn't living in there. I couldn't stay there.
Okay.
You know.
Yeah. I actually I know the feeling. I've been to China. I also share the same experience as well. I think they're quite futuristic in a way. Like what they are doing there. It's like you don't the whole society you don't ever need to carry cash anymore, right? You just
Yes,
need
but
to carry
but
your
uh,
phone.
but I couldn't feel like a freedom, and I couldn't feel like a humanity.
Okay.
Mm. I won't be like a nature nature person, nature people,
Mm-mm.
and I won't use like a cash.
Yeah.
But when I won't send to the like a tipping to
Mm.
give the some money, small money to you.
Yeah. Sure.
You know, you
Mm.
said when you go to the, like a uh, cafe
Mm-hmm.
or McDonald
Sure.
or Starbucks. I gave to like a ticket for the coffee.
Mm. Mm.
That's quite we want to do in the IDQ Soul Wallet, like a tipping.
Okay. So make it more seamless in a way that people can just
Mm.
use it, right?
Mm.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
now
So
we,
basically a wallet that will replace, or maybe would you say replace or like substitute or complement
yeah, I
with your
think
phone?
everyone want to do like a mass adoption.
Yeah.
Mm. But
Yeah.
I'm putting like a soul wallet, like not SBT token, only not SBT token, soul band token.
Mm.
No,
Mm.
soul is my insight, my
Mm.
my attitude, my memory, or
Mm.
my everything, my art have to change to the value because we are living, we are having new value.
Mm.
That's artistic.
Interesting. So
Art,
wallet
artist,
for.
yes, artistic is meaning is like a not professional, you know,
Mm.
like everyone could be the artist,
Mm-hmm.
and professional and
Mm.
amateur
Mm-hmm.
is a very close now for the AI.
The gap is closing. Yeah.
Yes, so people
Because of
can,
AI.
yeah, people can could be like a professional, like using AI, but we have to think about what is art.
What is your definition of art then?
Art is by myself. Can you understand it?
By yourself. By yourself. No, not really. Can you explain a bit more?
Art is like a memory, like a second brain,
Mm.
like a mirror.
Your alternative identity in a way. Yeah. Like
Yeah,
your
yeah, yeah,
soul.
yeah, yeah, like so. Yeah,
That's what you want to say, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, something like that. It's a very difficult to explain.
Yeah. No, it's
Mm.
fine. It's fine. Yeah. I understand. Hmm.
So
Interesting.
in English, so you like do you like art?
I do. Yeah. I go to
So
museums once in a while. I
yeah,
also collect
and
some.
you just look that you find like a drawing or picture.
Yes.
That's you.
Yeah.
You putting an alternative identity in there.
Mm-hmm.
So you like. That's art.
Yeah.
It's not close. Like what do you say? Instantly move to the emotional, to art
Mm-hmm.
things.
Mm-hmm.
It's very close, very
Yeah.
near. It's a fixing.
Hmm.
So that could be new value. We want to change crypto.
Okay.
That's value.
So interesting. Yeah. So by having, I mean, is this so? You see that people will be using a combination of. So you want to basically provide the whole kind of the entire solution, right, for people?
Yes, I can explain
Oh.
Web3. Web3 is something emotional activity for web. That's Web3.
Mm.
Web4
Okay.
is we are living in the metaverse or virtual reality with, and
Interesting.
Web5 is something. What do you say? What do you say? Uh, 次元?
Jigen. Yeah. Multi-dimensional, like
Yeah,
dimensionless.
yes. Now
Yeah.
is a third. I
Mm-hmm.
think Web5 or Web6 is a
Mm-hmm.
5 dimension or 6 dimension. Taking a
Interesting. Okay.
brain, connecting like a second brain is computing
Yeah.
with AI.
I think that's what Elon Musk is building now with his one of his company Neuralink.
Yes, but I don't like his approaching
Why?
because do you think he's a nature person?
I don't know. Is
He's
that a
a
philosophical question?
yes, but putting a chip in the brain.
Hmm.
I don't want. I don't want to do that. You want to
Yeah.
do that?
But I think I don't know actually. I don't. Yeah, it's probably really far in the future. I don't think that will come anytime soon.
Yeah, but I think it's
But
very coming.
mm,
I think it's I think 5 years.
okay,
Yeah.
you see that 5 years that people will be putting chip into their brain.
Yes. I think 3 years or 5 years.
Okay,
Mm.
interesting. Well, I mean, I do think that if the chip can enhance your critical thinking and just cognitive skill, right?
Mm.
It's a good for society, right? I don't
Mm.
see it because right now we are also using a lot of assistant, right, from AI.
Yeah.
For example, in your daily life, right? Maybe you use Alexa, maybe you use I don't know, Siri.
Mm.
We use ChatGPT, right?
Mm.
So if it's another chip in the brain, then I guess it would just be just another assistant, right? But it's just now it's much closer to you
Mm.
as opposed to having to type out or speak out the command. Now you can, I guess, think out loud the command, right?
Yeah,
Think
we
about
just
what you wanted to do, and then
translating is a first step for that.
mm,
Each language
mhm.
difficult to understand, but I think it's通訳 translate.
Translate, yeah.
Yes, it could be fast in the first step in the AI.
Interesting. Okay. What do you think will happen in Web3 in a few years?
Just I tried we are making a Web3 company. Name is Amos. Amas. Amas is meaning is a lab. Latengo. Latin.
Okay.
Mm.
So like AMAS, is that correct?
Yes.
AMAS.
Yes. is
Yeah.
ask me anything,
Yeah.
and access management article system, AMAS.
Okay, I don't know who came up with that acronym, but okay, sounds fun.
But
Yeah.
we need to like I emotional.
Hmm.
Mm.
We need
So
love. Yeah.
yeah, love and artists, and that's new value.
Interesting. So that's why so your company name is Amas.
I
Right.
ne I
Yeah, yeah.
in Japanese
Well,
say
in
I.
Japanese, yeah. I means love in
Yeah,
Japan. Yeah.
I that I
Mm-hmm.
I is AI. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I for AI, but also I in Japanese mean love. Okay. That's a really good. That's a really good pun. Yeah. Good
yeah,
play
my
on word.
yeah my older sister his name is Aiko.
Okay. Cool. So basically, you're giving attaching meaning to. Yeah. I guess you're giving credit to your sister, right? After all these years that she challenged you in when you were younger, right? And now.
Yeah, and the business attitude is a business model is moving to like a more holistic or mental care or healthcare activity.
Okay. What sort of activities are you thinking of?
I want to do like a mental care because I need.
Hmm. Okay. So it's a personal problem that you're trying to solve. Is that correct?
Yeah, and something I'm sleeping. When I'm slept over, I'm listening like a therapy or like music
Therapy. Yeah. Okay.
and smell, and I think it's very sleeping time is very important,
Hmm.
and I think when we are sleeping we can what do you say, and like AI working instead of the humanity people.
Okay. So when we sleep, AI work on our behalf. I
Yeah.
mean, even now, I think we have robots already working on behalf of us, right? I mean,
Yes.
I think it's just cool. It may not be like intelligent like AI that you're talking about yet, but I mean, we do have servers that's running 24 hours, right? I mean, server is also a robot, right?
Yes.
And then
Yes.
we have these machines that just run and do things for us 24 hours, right? So
Yes.
it's not
So
they may not be intelligent at the level you're thinking of yet, but yeah, we do have machine.
I think is people is sleeping when people sleeping, and when people is moving to the
Hmm.
another place. That's tipping point. That's business area. That's interface. That's service. That's uh, work for time. Next thing.
Interesting. Yeah, so you're trying
Mm.
to target people to help them with mental well-being
Yeah,
through sleep.
opportunity. Yeah, opportunity for the market fit.
Hmm.
We are thinking just like two things: sleeping and moving. That's the interface.
So hmm. So you kind of envision a way that people will be able to execute commands during
Yeah,
the sleep. Is that
that
correct?
yes, that's want we want to do like simplify,
Okay.
like something emotional
Yeah.
and UI UX, like feel like epiphany,
Hmm.
like a god. That's
Nice.
we want to do that.
Okay, so that's the goal that you are aiming for.
Yes.
Nice. Okay, I'm kind of curious. Maybe can you break it down a bit for me, for like layman, in the sense that what have to happen in order for your ultimate goal to be able to realize or to be able to be implemented.
My goal, I want to be like air.
What I'm asking is, so you said about your the people to be able to execute commands, right, or carrying out interface, right,
Yeah.
between sleep and
Yes.
moving, right?
Yes.
What would need to happen in order for that image or that imagination that you have for it to turn into reality?
Interface should be like a projector.
Okay,
Can
so
understand it?
3D, 4D
Yes.
interface
It's
projection.
全部光 Right.
Everything is light. Okay,
Yeah.
communication interface.
Communication, information technology, everything is become to the right. 光
Okay, like
うん。
so blending in with our daily life.
Yeah.
Interesting. Cool. 近いうちにどんな目標がありますか? For your
Uh,
project, right? In the near future, what sort of objective do you have?
uh, I I'm giving to the open source IDQ Soul Wallet.
Nice.
Then
Open source is awesome, by the way.
yeah,
Yeah.
what's gonna happen? I just
Nice.
I want to ask to the people
Mm,
what I have to, or
mm.
what do I need, what people need,
Okay.
people have to use anyway.
Yeah.
うん。
Yeah. So I see. Building a solution for something that people already need
うん。
instead of reinventing the wheel.
Yes. So,
Cool.
we have to think about it more like just one way, one use case.
I see. That makes sense. And then, there's a few more questions. Maybe let's switch the gear a bit, and then I want to ask some. Since you've been, how many years now have you been running your own business or building things in Web3?
6 years, 7 years.
6 years. Okay. So I guess you would be considered like an OG, like in Web3 they call it OG, right? Original gangster. So you actually have a lot more experience than I think like 90% of people even in crypto, right? Or in Web3.
Yeah, I think
So
I am a Web3 person.
okay, you are you are Web3 person for sure. Yeah. You think-
I
yeah.
I just like I'm just want to do like a good future. That's it.
You want to build a good future for people.
Yeah. I said my entrepreneurship.
Yeah.
I want to change. Difficult to live.
Mm-hmm.
People can live.
Yeah.
I don't want to do I hate like a suicide.
Mental health is quite a big problem, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
That's
Yeah, I think
my challenge.
I see.
Mm.
And then
My
with
yes, my challenge is and your challenge as well.
yeah,
Mm.
everyone challenge, agree.
Yes.
Mental health, yeah, having to
Like
keep sane,
yeah,
be
holistic.
healthy, yeah. Do you have any advice for people who are trying to begin their own business, whether in Web 2 or Web 3?
Just do it and show people.
Okay, sounds like Nike brand. Just do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My new company's motto is one about good things.
One about good things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to do the good things. Hito, mono, koto. Good things
Mm.
is just one.
Okay.
And to easy to use. That's it.
People, thing, object, everything just one. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's a good slogan in Japanese. I like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yes.
Mm.
In Japan is Sanmittai.
Mm.
It's in the what do you say? 聖書わかる？聖書。聖書。うん。
Seisho is the Bible.
Bible,
You
yeah.
talking about the Bible? Bible?
Yes. Is 息子、父親、聖霊。
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. The
Yes.
Son, the Father, Holy Spirit. Yeah.
Yes. That 聖霊 is a soul.
Mm. Yes.
We are calling soul.
Yes.
Everyone
Mhm.
having.
Mm.
That's new value.
Nice.
And that's in metaverse.
Mm.
That's universe. Connecting universe always.
Awesome.
Mm.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you. That's a beautiful message to, I guess, to close it out the show. Yeah. So for people who are interested in learning more about you, where can they find you?
Twitter, X, or LinkedIn.
What is your Twitter handle?
AMAS.
AMAS. Okay, very easy to remember. Okay, I'll make sure to put it in the show notes so people can go and follow you on Twitter.
Yes.
So yeah, thank you for joining the podcast today, Takumi.
Yeah.
And we are back to my studio. Did you guys enjoy the second episode of Colors of Web3 and Entrepreneurship? If you did, please hit the subscribe button over here. If you are watching on YouTube, if you're listening on podcast, please leave a review and your comment. I would highly appreciate it. For next episode 3, I'm planning to have an episode about DeFi with Chris Light, who's the CEO of Scallop.io. So please stay tuned, and I will plan to release it most likely later this week. Well, thank you.